problem solving. Now, before we solve this problem on the board, I like to speak to you about something that is extremely important. Now, a lot of times you think of math and you don't think about reading, about literacy. But I want to stress the importance of knowing how to read when you're doing math. Now, I have all kinds of prints here. I have a machining company, and I'm going to be showing you about these prints. There's a lot of words on these prints. This is a blueprint of a building. These are books, technical books. They have all kinds of math in them. But there's a lot of reading. You have to know how to read. So if you're going to be using math, you have to know how to read to do the math problems. And there's all these books. Here's a book on tool design. All kinds of problems. There's math in here, but you have to learn how to read to solve the problems. And here's another one, Engineering Handbook. All kinds of math problems in here. There's all kinds of numbers you can see, and a lot of reading. You need to know how to read. Now, these are blueprints. I have a machining company called Reliable EDM, and we do a lot of machining, and that's just a few of them that are here. And notice here, just to give you an example, here's a print. And I don't want to show you that because these are customers' prints here. But look at the information here. You can, all surfaces unless otherwise specified, through hardened per CV procedure 141. And so there's all kinds of information on down in here also, notice. And so it's important to know how to read. Here's a blueprint. This is a building that I just put up recently, not too long ago. And you can see we put up the building, this building, and this building. This is the building that we did have. We put a building over here and here. But notice all the words here on the left. A lot of math. I did a lot of math in putting up this building. I designed it. But notice all the words. You have to know how to read. And let's look at this problem now. Phil and Jane bought 2 angelfish. The large angelfish cost $3, and the small one cost $2. And the question is, how much did the 2 angelfish cost? So there's 2 of them. One cost, there's 2 angelfish over there. One cost $3, and the other one $2. So now we think about the problem, and we know we're doing with addition. This is simple. Believe me, when you work in these prints, this is very easy. These, when you get into higher mathematics, you really have to understand and read and learn what the problem says. So what we have to do then is add 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 equals 5, and it cost $5 for the 2 angelfish. If a group of you go hiking in the mountains, and in the morning you hike 9 miles, and in the afternoon you hike 7 miles, how many miles did you hike for the day? Let's do the math. In the morning, you hiked 9 miles. In the afternoon, you hiked 7 miles. The question is, how many miles did you hike for the day, for one day? So we have to add the 9 and the 7. So it's 9 plus 7, and that's the equal sign. 9 plus 7 equals 16. But 16 what? The question is, how many miles did you hike for the day? So it's 16 miles. So by walking 9 miles in the morning and 7 miles in the afternoon, you walk 16 miles.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.